welcome to the Spice of Life channel, where I'll be sharing some of my favorite family recipes and trying consumer products out once in a while. Let's see what's happening in the kitchen today.
In our quick video today, we are making a quick berry cobbler that is so easy to make, but so delicious that everyone will think you spent hours slaving away in the kitchen. This cobbler is great because you can essentially use any combination of your favorite berries or just stick to one kind. Let's get started. If you like this demonstration, please let me know by clicking the like button below and subscribing to my channel. I have more great recipes and cooking tutorials on the way. There is also a link to a printable PDF copy of the recipe in the description below, as well as a link to the Spice of Life blog and Facebook page. I hope you check them out. Enjoy!